Everybody, today we're going to be catching some mondos at the honey hole, catching monster bass, seeing spawning bass, bluegill, and using a couple lures along the way. So come along for an awesome day of fishing. Beautiful. But yeah, I already caught one fish. Off camera, sadly, but that looks like a good cast. Yep, there we go, fish on. Fish on. Let's go, baby. It's a nice little bass. No, lost him. Oh, he's right here. No way. He came off and I still got him. There we go. Nice little largie to start the day. First bass. Little guy, but let's get a release on him. There we go. Holy smokes. Let's keep fishing. Hopefully get one double or triple that size. We gotta get one way bigger than that. I usually never catch fish in this spot of the pond, so let's catch some more though. There we came off. But yeah, that seemed like it could have been a better one. But let's switch this out and try and get a mondo. All right, got a new one rigged up. Let's cast and then we'll move spots. Oh! Definitely got hit. Let's try that again. Hey guys, sorry about my audio. My mic died for a little bit, so it didn't work, but I'm here at the river, and I almost caught 2 bluegill, but never did. Alright guys, here is a little 3-pound bass. Still doesn't have audio, even though I literally unplugged my audio and everything, but we're getting a nice release on her here, and another good look at her, and a nice release. So sorry guys, I couldn't get that catch on camera. It was a good mama bass 3-pounder. Look, it's because I casted, and literally right over there was like bass jumping and getting like caught up shore. Boom, got one. Got one. Fish on. Just a little guy, we'll boat flip him. There we go. Just a little guy. He came off. Oh, calm down. Alright. Wash. Just a little guy. This would be a perfect pet bass, but I want a little bit smaller than this guy. Let's get a quick release on him. So many, like, yeah. Alright. The cast at the shore, and the wind's taking it away, like, and putting it on the bank. There we go, fish on. Another little guy. Oh, this is a bluegill. Oh, look at the colors on that bluegill. Beautiful bluegill. Nice and big. There it goes, I guess. Like, some free stuff from them, I asked, but she was kind of mean about it. Lady at customer service, so if you're seeing this, please be nicer. Oh, another one. Let's go. I think we found the honey hole, boys. Another monster bluegill. Wow. Another one the size of my hand. Holy smokes. Just keep casting into that same spot, because it seems to be working. No way. Second it hit the water. This feels like another bluegill, though. Maybe not. No, it feels like one. Actually, no, it's a bass. I figured. What a bass. Look at this chunk. Eating good in the neighborhood. Holy smokes. Look at that. Full of eggs. We better get her released so she can make some babies. Wow. This is action-packed today, guys. Holy smokes. Same spot. Wow. I told you guys I can catch fish, but Pim, look at that. Thumbnail. Holy smokes, this thing is tiny. Like, there's no way they're downing that. Another one, fish on. Oh, just another slab bluegill. We found a school. The bass have a better chance of a decent day of fishing. Been fishing for like 3 hours. All right, let's work our way down a bit more. First bird's nest. That was a decent cast. We'll go back here. A couple years ago, this was Bass Cove. There was so many bass. I've been catching a lot of my big bass on the opposite side of the pond now, but let's test it out. That was fun. I just casted in the same spot back there, and it was actually a bluegill that came up. There's like a beaver up here. Let's see if we can sneak up on it. Yeah, the bluegill just came up, and I just saw it eat it. It was really cool. Oh, it's gone now. No, it's not. It's right there. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, look at that. That's insane. Yeah, it just went under. Just caught this monster green sunny. So, let's get a quick release in the honey hole spot that I was talking about. But off she goes. Let's catch a few more. Ooh, there we go. Oh, that was a decent sized bass right. Okay, just saw something jump right there. Let's get him. Yeah, there's a ton of fish jumping, like literally right across from me. Let's head over there. We have a certified monster on. Oh my. This is a pretty big bass. Please don't come on. Please. Okay, not too big, but I would say it's probably a female. Almost definitely a female. Little 1.5 pound bass. Probably pregnant. Yeah, pregnant for sure. But let's get a release. There's one's mating right over there. I see the fins coming up. That is so cool. You can't see it. Yep. Yes, you can. I literally see my bait. No, I don't know what it snagged on. I just see the white. And I just snapped off. Dang it. We're back.